Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open the safe mode on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So the first thing that we can do is use the power button. We can press and hold it in order to open this window. If this doesn't work for you, you might need to press and hold two buttons instead. So the power button and the volume up button. And another way to open this window that you have just seen, you can go to the notifications, scroll one more time in order to open the quick access, and then over here we have the power button, so we can tap on it in order to open the same thing. And now what we need to do is press and hold on restart. So do that until you see this information, reboot to safe mode. So we need to confirm that we want to go to the safe mode. So if we tap OK, we will restart our device, and once it turns on, we should be in the safe mode. There we go. Now as you can see, we are in the safe mode. Let me unlock the smartphone. Over here you can see there is the text that we are in the safe mode. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.